Welcome to your own YouTube channel, TheAutoVerse. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 two-stroke Saab, a remarkable revival of a classic design with modern performance and sustainability at its core. The 2025 Saab two-stroke is a groundbreaking vehicle that combines nostalgic appeal with cutting-edge technology. Saab has taken its iconic two-stroke engine and reimagined it for the modern era, creating a vehicle that is both eco-friendly and incredibly fun to drive. The two-stroke engine, known for its simplicity and efficiency, has been upgraded with modern fuel-saving technology to meet today's emissions standards, ensuring that it delivers a smoother, cleaner driving experience without compromising on the distinctive sound and character that made the original model so beloved. On the outside, the 2025 two-stroke Saab retains the sleek, aerodynamic design that fans of the brand have come to expect, but with a more contemporary touch. The exterior also includes modern LED headlights, a refined rear end, and high-performance alloy wheels, contributing to the vehicle's overall sporty and stylish appearance. Inside, the 2025 Saab two-stroke boasts a minimalist yet functional cabin that embraces both form and function. The interior design is clean and contemporary, featuring premium materials and advanced technology. A digital display takes center stage in the dashboard, offering easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The seating is comfortable, with a focus on practicality and driver comfort, while the cabin offers ample space for both passengers and luggage. One of the standout features of the 2025 Saab two-stroke is its innovative hybrid system. While the traditional two-stroke engine remains at the heart of the car, a small electric motor has been added to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. This hybrid powertrain offers an impressive balance of power and economy, making it a versatile choice for city driving as well as longer road trips. The car also features regenerative braking, ensuring that every drive is as energy efficient as possible. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Saab two-stroke delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The engine is responsive and quick, with plenty of power for both urban streets and highway cruising. The vehicle also offers a smooth, stable ride thanks to its refined suspension system and advanced handling dynamics. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Saab two-stroke. Be sure to subscribe to the AutoVerse for more updates on all things automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.